Let's check in now with pro trader Joel Hawthorne for the final trade of the day. He's a founder of the Morning Snapshot. Always love having you here, Joel. And we're talking, of course, best trade, worst trade, next trade. What do you have for us?
Thanks for having me, Angie. Today, talking about my, as of recent, best trade, worst trade, and next trade. I would have to say my best trade as of late has been recognizing the very strong support that we saw at 3850 in the S&P 500 to start the year, the new year. I think this has really held well and strong for some of the beaten down tech names that we saw last year. Some of the larger names have really had an explosive move to the upside since the S&P 500 and some of the other indexes have really not been able to break down to the downside with a lot of pressure. So just really identifying that strong support level, using those technicals to reverse course and get bullish. My worst trade, I would have to say, though, is getting out of Netflix prematurely. I was definitely a bull in Netflix to start the year. This is one that I saw that I was very optimistic about. But I feel like if this rally continues, I think there's more room in a name like Netflix. I was also bullish Meta before earnings and was not able to capitalize as I would like to on the huge gap up that it had when it reported its earnings. Those are two of my not so flattering trades, if you would. And my next trade is just keeping a very broader view of still looking at tech names. I think that if we can continue to see this bullish momentum and we can continue to see the market trade off of some of the technical levels that we've talked about, whether it be the dollar moving on some of the support and resistance levels that we've talked about, currently trading right around 104, whether it be, like I said, the S&P trading between that 4150 near about 4,000 or so in that 150 point range, if you would. Some of these things I think will have a major impact on levels. And then also we can't forget about economic data. Economic data has really played a huge role in the market as of late. So every month and every time we do have some data coming out, either from the Fed or some of the results from the previous month, will definitely play key in the market as well. So this is what I'm looking for coming up, and look forward to just, really practicing a lot of risk management and staying nimble as possible.
Thank you as always, Joel.
Thank you very much and have a great day.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.